To access and manage the controls for your Wanco solar light tower, refer to the onboard secure NEMA control box. Within this control box, you can program and set up the LED lights by utilizing the touchscreen monitor, get a quick look at the wattage the solar panels are producing, and control the tilt of the solar panels by using the lever marked Solar to either raise or lower the panel array. If your trailer is equipped with an electric winch, you can also have an additional switch installed that would be used to raise or lower the light tower's mast. A main power switch will be located at the bottom right of the control box. This will always be on unless the trailer requires servicing and maintenance. You can access the trailer switchboards by gently pulling the top 2 pins on the top of the panel and lowering the panel flat. Here you can access the switchboards for the entire system. On the back panel, there are 3 circuit breakers: main battery power, solar panel input, and the breaker to LED lights control. Finally, on the back of the control box door, you can find further instructions, as well as a compass to help with deploying the solar panels. Always be sure that the control box is closed up tight and locked to prevent anyone from accessing the controls while the system is deployed. Find out more about the Wanco Solar Light Tower by visiting wanco.com or by calling 303-427-5700.